As we near the winter months, the coziness of your res hall room becomes a losing battle. But have no fear, for warmth is near. Here's how you can use your room's radiator or thermostat to achieve the perfect temperature. Some residence halls, such as Bigelow, Clem, Wells East, and Wells West, offer a valve-operated radiator in each room. Turning the valve to the left allows for more heat to enter the room. Be sure to keep your radiator free from clutter to get the most efficient heating. And if you start getting a little too toasty, just move the valve to the closed position on the right. Other halls, Benson, Lee, Nylons, and Tut, have a dial that controls the radiator. Turn this dial towards the middle to keep your room at a comfortable temperature. The remodeled residence halls, Airy, Fricker, Fisher, and Wellers, offer a temperature-controlled radiator in each room, which can be set between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. These radiators should also remain unblocked so the room temperature is exactly to your liking. Starin Hall has thermostats in each suite that can also be set between 68 and 72 degrees. Unlike the other halls, here the heat is controlled through a forced air system instead of a radiator. For this reason, residents of Starin are advised to keep their windows closed during the warmer days. There's no need to freeze. Just use your res hall's heating for a cozy winter. Stay smart and have a great year, Warhawks.